In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is launch any app you wanna use in this view and access it in the background to click on those three dots at the top of it. Then select Split View and tap on the second app. Lastly, enjoy using both at once. If you wanna go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button, or my personal favorite. You can click on those three dots at the top of any app and select Close. You can also check out all of those options like full screen, floating window, expand, and switch app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!